Hi, this is Jesse with Sound Team Realty. I'm really excited to be sharing two new construction, an ADU and a DADU, 7032 Cleopatra Place Northwest. Boy, I say that fast really a lot of times. Is our first one that we're going to be walking through. It is the ADU attached to the older home that will be on the market in a couple of months. Come on in, I'll show you around. All new. This unit gives great space on the main floor with the kitchen, eating space, or couch, or whatever you want to do. But really, one of the things I love about this home is this back patio. This back patio with the slider allows to be able to take advantage of the outdoor weather during the summer. It's all an extension of this main floor. On this floor as well, you have a little pantry, you have a closet, and you actually have another little closet we've got hidden behind the table that works well to store whatever you need. Come on upstairs. Immediately on the second floor, you've got the first of two bathrooms. This is your full bathroom attached to a really nice bedroom with a good sized closet. One of the things I really like about this floor is that it's really bright and open. It's a rainy day outside, and it's really bright in here. It's beautiful. Just for perspective, closet, good sized closet. Comes with the wire racks, but you can add whatever you like in here, of course. Let's go to the last floor. All the way up. Space for full washer and dryer. And then what I probably would consider the primary, vaulted ceilings. We have mini splits throughout. Big closet, ensuite bathroom, 3/4 bathroom. And again, very open. We're south facing here, so you're gonna get great sun. I don't know if you can see right there, the spring robin on the other roof over there. It's just saying hello to us. It's great. Bathroom here. And a nice, for this size of home, nice walk-in closet. Let us know if you have any questions. These homes are beautiful. They're built well. They've got great finishes. I'm sure you're going to love them. Give us a call if you need anything. Bye now.